Hello everybody, it is me, classyfen. I got this recently for my new computer. So I thought I've opened it before, but I kind of just wanted to show it off. Actually, I do need to turn on the box to open it, but because there is something I want to keep in this box. But yeah. Pretty much this is for a little new computer I'm building. And so when I was buying a mouse pad at Best Buy, because I was looking at parts for computers, I saw this on sale for it was like 18 bucks, and then the one I was looking at prior was another one of the A400s, same size as this, at 120 gigs, because this is just to put Windows on. All it's for is it's just gonna be for Windows. Nothing else is going on this drive. But yeah, it's 20. So yeah, it was a few bucks less. So saved a little bit of money off the total so far. And also, it has this little riser. It came with this little riser. It's kind of cool, because this is thinner than most SSDs, so yeah, it's a little riser, so it fits in the bays, and, bays better than, so yeah, so it just properly fits. But yeah, I just thought I'd kind of show that off. So thank y'all for watching. Y'all enjoyed, and bye for now. Peace. Also, I'm going to be doing another probably more in-depth video about this, and just how I'm, talking about it, about the computer itself. So, now, bye for now. Peace.